I have tried to include the days which are important from the Indian point of view and not necessarily the world point of view. So the first is the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Pravasi Bharatiya, you know, NRIs are called Pravasi Bharatiya. So Pravasi Bharatiya Divas or the non-resident Indian day, NRI day, is celebrated every year on January the 9th to, because NRIs also have a lot to give to India. They have given a lot to India to recognize their effort, to commemorate their effort. And why is this day celebrated? Because on 9 January, Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa to India. That is why this day was, that is why this day is celebrated on January the 9th. So January 9 was chosen because Mahatma Gandhi came back from South Africa to India on this day. Next is the 12th January, birthday of the Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, he is a youth icon. Therefore, National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January. Very, very important. One of the most important question. National Youth Day, birthday of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda's guru name was Ramakrishna Paramhansa. 15 January is Army Day. 15 January, Army Day. I am talking about only India. Indian Army Day is 15 January. 25th January, we celebrate 2 days. One is the Voters Day. So Voters Day is basically, to spread the awareness about the voting, etc. And then we have the National Tourism Day. So National Tourism Day is also celebrated only in India on 25th of January. So these 2 days we celebrate on the same day and it is super important. And next is 30th January. 30th January, Mahatma Gandhi was killed by Nathuram Godse. So we celebrate it as Martyrs Day. Please note that Martyrs Day is celebrated in different countries on different dates. Because every country has different icons and they were killed or they received martyrdom on specific day. So we celebrate because Mahatma Gandhi was killed on 30th of January by Nathuram Godse. Then World Leprosy Eradication Day. This is celebrated across the world. Leprosy, I have told you, it's a disease of the nervous system, the skin, of respiratory system. Very, very dangerous bacterial disease. So World Leprosy Eradication Day is on 30th of January. Then 24th of January we celebrate National Girl Child Day, and this is very, very important. For the National Girl Child Day, please don't confuse this with the International Day of the Girl Child, which is celebrated on October the 11th. 11 October, United Nations across the world celebrates International Day of the Girl Child. That is different. National Girl Child Day is different. So if there is a clash, always know that which day is celebrated in India on a particular day and on which day the UN celebrates it across the globe. Now let's come to February. 4th February is World Cancer Day. This is to spread awareness about cancer. 20th of February is World Day of Social Justice. Social Justice. 24th February, only in India we celebrate Central Excise Day. This is to recognize the efforts of the tax officials and excise personnel as the building blocks of the nation. Central Excise Day, 24th Feb. Very, very important. 28th February, one of the most important days in India, National Science Day, because it was on this day that C.V. Raman, our great scientist C.V. Raman, he discovered Raman effect, for which he got the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. That is why this day is extremely important. National Science Day. 3rd March, we have World Wildlife Day across the world. World Wildlife Day. 8th March, International Women's Day. 8th March, International Women's Day. 15th March, World Consumer Rights Day, to make the consumers aware about their rights. 20th March, World Sparrow Day. 21st March is the World Forestry Day. And the more important one is this one, International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. Now you know that racism is rife across the globe and we need to teach say no to racism to our future generation so that this curse of racism can be eliminated permanently. To spread awareness about racism, we celebrate this day on 21st of March. This is extremely important. And then we have World Water Day, because the water ecosystem is it is fast declining. Water, there is a shortage, rampant shortage everywhere. So we need to conserve water. To spread awareness about water, we celebrate World Water Day on 22nd of March. 24th March is again a very important World Tuberculosis Day, TB Day. Tuberculosis, as we know, is a very important disease, and more so with respect to India, because in India we have the highest number of people who are chronic carriers of tuberculosis. 2nd April is World Autism Awareness Day. Very, very important. World Autism Awareness Day. 5th April is the National Maritime Day. National Maritime Day. So whenever we use the word national, I am talking about India. In India, we celebrate National Maritime Day on 5th of April. 7th of April is the World Health Day. Super important. World Health Day on 7th of April. 18th of April is the World Heritage Day. 21st of April is the National Civil Services Day. National Civil Services Day. Then 22nd April we have the Earth Day. 22nd April is the Earth Day. 25th April we have the World Malaria Day to spread awareness about the malaria, how it is caused, what can be done for prevention and control. 1st May, International Labour Day. This is very, very important. International Labour Day. 8th May we celebrate World Red Cross Day. Red Cross is an organization also. Very, very important organization. World Red Cross Day. 11th May we have National Technology Day. Lots of things, there is a lot of history regarding this day. We had done our Pokhran test on this day. We became a nuclear country. So there is a lot of history behind this day. 21st May, Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated by LTTE, the terrorist organization from Sri Lanka. Anti-Terrorism Day. So we celebrate it as Anti-Terrorism Day. 22nd May is the International Day for Biological Diversity. International Day for Biological Diversity. 31st May is No Tobacco Day. World No Tobacco Day, one of the most asked question in exams. World No Tobacco Day, 31st May. 5th June, one of the most important question, World Environment Day. 5th of June. Environment is the next, is a buzzing topic. It's always a hot topic to discuss on. A lot of environmental summits are going on. So environment is always a major question in the exam. 8th of June, we celebrate World Ocean Day. 12th June, we celebrate the World Day Against Child Labor. And this is very, very important. World Day Against Child Labor. 20th June, we celebrate World Refugee Day. And you know that refugee problem is seen in countries like Libya, Afghanistan, Syria, the countries which are war-torn basically. And one of the most important days, 21st June, is the Yoga Day. And it's a concept by India. However, now since the UN has adopted it, it is celebrated across the globe. So these are very, very important. 11 July, again, very, very important, World Population Day. To keep a check on population, to spread awareness about the same. 18 July, we celebrate Nelson Mandela International Day. Nelson Mandela, the great freedom fighter for Africa. 28 July is the World Hepatitis Day. Hepatitis affects liver and it's very, very dangerous disease. World Hepatitis Day. 12th August, we celebrate the International Youth Day. This is not National Youth Day. This is International Youth Day on 12th of August. 19th August, we celebrate World Humanitarian Day. 20th of August is Rajiv Gandhi Sadbhavna Divas. Recently, it was celebrated where Narendra Modi paid rich tributes to Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi Sadbhavna Divas. 29th August, we celebrate National Sports Day. National Sports Day on 29th of August. Now let's come to September. 5th September is the Teachers' Day. It is also Sanskrit Day, if they ask, but they will not ask it. It is not common. Sanskrit Day we celebrate on 5th September along with the Teachers' Day. Please note, this Teachers' Day is only in India because it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. 8th September is the International Literacy Day celebrated by UNESCO. 14th September is the Hindi Divas. It is celebrated in India only. Hindi Divas, because Hindi was taken as the official language by the Constituent Assembly 1949 on 14 September. But World Hindi Day is 10 January. World Hindi Day is 10 January and Hindi Divas in India is 14 September. 15 September, two very important days, super important. One is the International Day of Democracy. India is the largest democracy in the world and United States is the oldest democracy in the world. Engineers Day. This is the birthday of M. Vishweshwarya. M. Vishweshwarya, the great engineer, engineer from Karnataka. Vishweshwarya, and we recognize his efforts, so we celebrate it as Engineers Day. 16th September is the World Ozone Day. Ozone filters our ultraviolet radiations. October, we celebrate World Habitat Day. Habitat is the place of where an organism thrives. It is his home. So we have a lot of types of habitats for various types of ecosystem. 5th October is the World Teacher Day. 5th September is the Teacher Day in India, whereas World Teacher Day is 5th October. 8th October is the Indian Air Force Day. You should know all the 3 days: Navy Day, Air Force Day, and the Army Day. Indian Air Force Day is 8 October. 9 October is the World Post Office Day. World Post Office Day. 10th October is Indian Post Day. So can you see there is a difference? 10th October is Indian Post Day. 9 October is the World Post Office Day. 16 October is the World Food Day. 20th October is World Statistics Day. 24th October United Nations was formed. So it is called the United Nations Day. And it is also World Polio Day. So 2 in 1, very very important. 24th October is the United Nations Day. 14 November we have World Diabetes Day. But in India we also celebrate 14 November as the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, Children's Day. 16 November is International Day for Tolerance. 19 November is the National Integration Day. 21st November there are 2 days, World Television Day and World Fisheries Day. 26th November is our Constitution Day, because you know that the writing of the Constitution, the drafting of the Constitution was completed on this day. 1st December, one of the most important days, World AIDS Day. This is one of the most frequently asked question in exam. 3rd December is the World Day for the Handicapped. Now it is not called disabled, it is called differently abled. 4th December is the Navy Day. Indian Navy Day, 4th of December. 7th December we have International Civil Aviation Day and also Armed Forces Flag Day. Armed Forces Flag Day is not very important, you should just know which one is the Army Day. 9th December we have International Day Against Corruption. 10th December we have the Human Rights Day. 14th December we celebrate International Energy Conservation Day. This is important, 14th December. 18th December is International Migrants Day. So Migrants Day and Refugee Day is different. Please don't confuse the two. 20th December we celebrate International Human Solidarity Day. Before I come to 23rd December, there is a very important day on 22nd December. On 22nd December we celebrate the Mathematics Day, National Mathematics Day, because on this day a great mathematician Srinivas Ramanujam was born. Srinivas Ramanujam. So National Mathematics Day is 22nd December. Please don't forget that. 23rd December we have the Kisan Divas or the Farmers Day, because birthday of Chaudhary Charan Singh. 25th